Benefits of celery juice: reduces bloating and supports digestion. Celery juice helps alleviate uncomfortable bloating, naturally improves digestion, and supports the efficient functioning of the digestive system. 2. Soothes eczema and psoriasis. Celery contains anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce itching and soothe the skin for those suffering from eczema or psoriasis. This provides greater comfort for the skin. 3. Lowers blood pressure. With high levels of potassium and antioxidants, celery juice can help maintain stable blood pressure, supporting heart health. 4. Reduces inflammation. Celery is rich in antioxidants, helping to reduce inflammation in the body, improve overall health, and prevent various inflammation-related conditions. Drinking celery juice daily not only enhances skin health, but also brings numerous benefits for overall well-being.